Hi there, my name is Sean and I had rotator cuff surgery a week ago today. And I looked at a lot of videos and some were very good about telling me what to expect pain-wise and recovery-wise. They didn't really talk about the reality of things. And so I kind of wanted to touch base on that, maybe do some videos of things that I'm finding that are working. So I am doing this one tonight because tomorrow I'll show you why. So my boyfriend does not know how to put my hair in a ponytail. I didn't think to teach him that ahead of time. I didn't think that that would be that big of a deal, but it is. And quite honestly, I can't look like this for 6, 8 weeks, however long it's going to be before I can get my hand up there and put my hair in a ponytail. I tried having him watch some YouTube videos and that didn't seem to be very helpful. So I have a few plans tomorrow for some ways to do my hair, and I'm going to splice this video with that one and kind of show you what I come up with and what worked and what didn't work. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, I'm back. As you can see, my hair is looking a lot better, and I did most of it myself. And I just want to show you some tricks in the bathroom that you may want to plan for. I think the number one thing is really think about what things you need after surgery. Am I going to need Q-tips? Am I going to need my brush? And have those things accessible where you can get it with one arm. Bending over, at least in that first week, is really hard. Even though you're maybe stretching with your good arm, it really affects your left arm and it just throbs and aches. So have things where you can find them. I don't have something to set my phone on, so I'm going to do the best I can here. I'm going to try setting you right here. Okay, hi. While I'm thinking about it, I came home from surgery with this little sling, and I can tell you that my arm slid out the whole time, didn't have very good support. My hand was hanging free. It was really a bummer. So ask your doctor before surgery what kind of sling you're going to get. I think the one I have on was like $34. So it has this pillow, so my arm is positioned away from my body. It has a ball right here, so my hand has something to grip. It has Velcro that helps keep my arm in, although I haven't needed it. It's adjustable. It can go on either arm, so you have a lot of options here. And I'll tell you, there's not a lot of weight going here. Somehow the pillow kind of helps with that, and there's not a lot of weight here. Worth every penny. When I came home from the hospital, the ride home was a nightmare in that thing, and I could see immediately how, you know, it was working this way, and my arm was hanging out. I just didn't have any support, and I thought, I cannot do this for 6 weeks. So I started watching videos of what other people were doing, and everybody seemed to believe in this, and so I ordered it right there and then on the way home, and it took, I'm in Puerto Rico, so it took until a couple days ago to get here, so it took about 5 days, and you want that right off the bat. Okay, some things to talk about. I'm going to see if I can flip this phone around. I haven't done this in a while. Why isn't it giving me the option? I apologize. Well, this is my older phone, and it doesn't have a way to turn it around. So what I would suggest to you is get yourself pumps so that you can easily get your shampoo and conditioner with one hand. I have a shower massager, and so I use it for most of my shower, and then I have my partner take it down for me so I can rinse. That's been really helpful. Anything you can have in a pump that you can do with one hand. The other thing is, if you see where sitting on the toilet, there's the toilet paper. It's really hard to get to, and it's a little thing, but it makes all the difference in being able to be independent. So I've moved mine here where it's easy for me to reach with my good hand. The other thing is, gosh, I can't believe I can't switch this phone. I have this Tony towel. And the thing that's good about the Tony towel is you just hang your head upside down, you put it on, you twist it, and then you can tuck it in a band in the back of your head. And I can do that with one arm. And so I don't need help there as far as getting my wet hair into something. I'm going to come back over here. The other thing that's really difficult is washing your hand. You know, you can put soap on it, but you just feel like you just get this. And so unless somebody's going to help you wash your hand, it doesn't feel like you really do it. So one thing I did was a sponge, get it wet, put your soap on top. I left the net on mine. And then you can rub your hand like this in the sink and feel like you actually got your hand washed. This has been huge for me. Other thing is, make sure that you get a deodorant that you can spray, because you don't have much room in there. So you just need to be able to get in and spray. Liquid hand soap, again, one pump. The other thing, as women we put, well, men too, we put hair product in. And, you know, you're used to emulsifying your leave-in conditioners, whatever, into your hands and then working it through. Well, now if you get some on your hand, again, you have it right here. Getting it worked into your hand in a way that you can spread it evenly, I found to be pretty difficult. So just get a little plastic plate, preferably. I don't have any. Put your stuff on there, and then you can put your hand in and move your hand around and get it on your entire hand, and then work it through, and then you can come back and get more and work it through. That has been a lifesaver for my hair. The other thing is I had to get a brand new blow dryer right before surgery because it died. And so I got one that has this little attachment on it. So it's like a comb. And I am telling you, even when my arm is fixed, I'm going to use this. Because as you're going through your hair with the blow dryer, I have really fine, thin hair, and look how much body I have at my crown. So I have a lot of cowlicks back here, and I can't even feel them, you know, you can feel. So I've got it nice and flat back there, which I'm super happy about. The other thing that I got, and again, I'm so sorry about this, I got this stand. It's weighted at the bottom, and there's my blow dryer, and I changed the attachment. Of course, some of these things you still have to ask for help with, because I can't pull that off by myself. But as you can see, I have the blow dryer there. So then, when it was on, I was able to take my roll brush, heat it up, and then roll my hair and come under that and then pull it out, and I could get some curl. So those are some things in the bathroom that I found to be super duper helpful today. The other thing I'm going to try, let me see, I should have got it out. My partner George is just such a helpful person, but you know, it seems like every 5 minutes you're saying, help me with this, can you help me with that? And you lose the sense of independence, and like I was saying, not being able to do my hair and looking like crap was really bothering me. Anyway, I have this, and I've had this for a while. And the thing that's lovely about it's an automatic hair thing. So he can do my hair with this because there's no thought. All you have to do is take a little section of hair, lay it onto it, making sure this is always at your scalp. And he just lays that on and closes it, and then he pulls the hair up. It does beep, 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 and then a bunch of beeps, and it's time to take your hair out. So it's kind of a no-brainer, and it gives you really nice curls. Sorry, I like to start mine down here, and then they're more wavy, or you know, they're not so tight to my scalp, not so Shirley Temple. And then if you wanted, you could use your flat iron and just flatten, just pull out the ends so that they get that straight look as if you'd wound your hair on a wand. And the thing I like about this is my hair doesn't hold curl really well, plus I live in Puerto Rico, so when I use this, my hair will stay curly for several days. So I talked about how George was having a hard time using putting my hair in a ponytail. When my hair's really curly like that, he can just put it, I should say, I wanted a messy mom bun. So with that, if he puts my hair on top of my head and I have all those curls, we can just pull it tight and just let the curls, you know, fall around and kind of back comb a little bit, and it creates a kind of a messy bun without having to figure out how to do a bun. So really look around your bathroom and think about what things you need to get ready to feel human and feel independent, and then make those things easily accessible. Get yourself a electric razor, because shaving your legs is just really not an option. But you can sit somewhere and shave a little bit and then come back and shave a little bit more. You'd be surprised how tired you are from this surgery. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. I wish I had something to hold my camera up and that would help be able to show you my system, but I think this worked okay. So I'll let you know as I come up with other tips and tricks, and I would love it if you'd share some with me since I'm in the middle of this. I am day 8 today, so things are definitely better than they were on even just a few days ago. So hang in there, and talk to you later. Bye.